Hey, what's up, beautiful viewers? So, last night, actually late night, my PC got frozen. I was watching a series, and suddenly, when I tried to use my peripheral, it just hung. BTW before that, one day earlier, it happened once, but I didn't focus on it. But when it happened again last night, I decided to look into it. And by the way, watch this video till the end because I'm going to cover one of the most important things that will guide you to find your PC related issues on your own and fix them yourself. So it was late night, I just went to sleep, and now in the evening, I got back to my PC and thought, let's make a video on this. All right, let's get started. First of all, we will open Event Viewer. This is the component that covers all issues related to your PC, such as games, applications, Windows, and even hardware. But hardware chances are 50-50 because some issues are detectable and some are not. And hardware issues are mostly reported by WHEA. Many of you have probably seen this type of error before. Anyways, first thing you'll see in Event Viewer is Custom Views. Here you will see Critical, Error, and Warning, and these are not specified to games, applications, or Windows. You know what I mean. It covers global issues. On the top, you have Event Viewer Local. This is the summary of the past few hours, and honestly, I use this the most whenever I face any issue because it shows the most recent events: critical, error, warning, information, audit success, audit failure, and so on. And in front of them, you have a time summary which helps you find the root cause quickly. Since my PC got frozen and I wasn't even playing games, this is clearly a Windows level issue which falls under critical. You can see this template. It really helps you understand the root of your issue. So now you might have a question. How do I check specific issues? Well, for that, you go into Windows Logs, Application. If you face an issue while using an app or a game crashes, this is where you check. Security shows all your security audits and login events. Setup shows Windows Update and installation related logs. System. This one shows Windows freezes, driver issues, hardware problems. Let me scroll a bit here. Okay, here. As you can see, there's an error saying there was an error while attempting to read the local hosts file. All right, so basically, your network adapter is trying to read the hosts file, but it couldn't find it. And I actually know why, because recently I deleted the hosts file myself since some IPs were blocked and it was causing slowdowns. So I just deleted it completely. Let's fix that real quick. Open Notepad, create an empty file, go to this path and paste it there. Then rename it and remove the extension. If extensions are not visible, go to View, then Show More, and check File Name Extensions. Now rename it, remove the extension, and you're good to go. Just make sure to restart your PC once after. Next is Applications and Services Logs. This shows hardware events, but as I told you, hardware is 50-50. Some issues are detectable and some are not. Luckily, mine is clean. And there are some other logs like Internet Explorer, but we can skip that. IE is dead, not relevant for us anymore. So now let's say you don't even know where your issue is coming from. What do you do? Simple. Go back to Event Viewer Local. It shows you summaries along with time periods. If it's your own PC, you already know when the issue happened. You got my point, right? So in my case, I know it happened twice. And since I did a forceful shutdown both times, I can see a Kernel-Power error. But in my case, this is not a hardware issue. It's because I forcefully shut down the PC. So let me dig into the 7 days period. Inside that, I have 4 critical errors, and they're all the same, driver related. It says the device local port. Okay, so I know exactly what this is. It's highlighting the port and hub, basically your peripheral. My keyboard supports both Bluetooth and wired mode. Mostly, I use it on Bluetooth, but while gaming, it never happened. This time, I was watching videos. My keyboard went into sleep mode, and Windows 11 was trying to reconnect, but couldn't. And honestly, I'm going to blame Windows 11 for this, because back on Windows 10, I never faced these kinds of issues. And nowadays, these problems are very common, especially with Bluetooth devices. So here's what you can do to fix this. First, check if your BIOS is up to date. Search for system information, look for BIOS version and date, and note it down. Mine was installed back in 2025, and we're in 2026 now. So let's check if something newer is available. Open your browser, search using your baseboard product name, and add the word firmware at the end. When the manufacturer's page opens, you'll see a firmware version list. And hey, never go with the beta version, even if it's the latest, okay? Click Show All, and you'll find the stable latest version. Check the release notes. It shows compatibility fixes and improvements. Now I'm not going to update it right away. It takes some time, but I'll update it later and let you know in the pinned comment whether it fixed the issue or not. Second fix, go into Device Manager, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, check each one. Go into Properties, then Power Management, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This way, your USB hub will not put your keyboard into sleep mode anymore. Also, check your mice and keyboard devices in Device Manager and do the same step there too. With these steps, I'm 100% sure I've resolved my issue. And you can resolve yours too. Good luck, and let me know your feedback in the comments. If I missed anything, the comment section is open. Let's have some chit-chat there. And yeah, don't forget to suggest the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye!